In this video, we will demonstrate placing an item on hold from St. Mary's County Library. So you'll begin at our website, stmalib.org. Go to the Read, Listen, Watch menu and click on Search the Catalog. Do a search for the items you want to borrow. Let's look for Blueberries for Sal. That's one of my favorite books. Do a title search for it. Once you see your list of search results, you can scroll through it to find the item you want to borrow. Once you find the thing you want, click on Placehold Request. You need to put in your library card number and your PIN or password, and then click Login. It'll ask you where you want to pick up your item. We'll go with St. Mary's County in Leonardtown and click Submit Request. It'll tell you your request has been placed and show you a summary of your contact information on file. From here, you can return to your search results, you can log out if you're finished, or you can go to your list of items on hold. Let's do that. To get to this screen from elsewhere, you would go to My Account and then Hold Requests. From the screen, you can do several things. You can review your items on hold. I can see that this one is still in a pending status, so it's not ready to pick up yet, and it'll come to St. Mary's County Library in Leonardtown for me to pick up. I can change that pickup location if I want by checking the box next to the item and clicking Change Pickup Location. Choose a new pickup location from the list. Let's go with Charlotte Hall and click Submit. Say OK, and it takes you back to your list of requests. You can see that the pickup location has been changed. Other things I can do from this screen are suspend my hold. So if I know I won't be able to pick it up right away, I can tell the library that I don't want it until at least a certain day. Again, check that box, and then click the button for Suspend or Reactivate selected. Whatever date I put in the new activation date box will be the first day the library will try to get that item for me. Click Submit, and now you can see that your item is suspended until this date. So that's the earliest date the library will have that item ready for me to pick up. If I change my mind and I don't want this item anymore, again, I can click the box next to the item and click Cancel Selected, and this will cancel my hold request. It'll say, "Are you really sure?" I am, so click Submit. And now it shows that my hold is canceled. That's it. Once you've been notified by email, text message, or a phone call that your items are available and ready to pick up, if it's more convenient for you than coming inside, you can place a curbside pickup appointment to get your items at the library. Go to the Library Services menu of our website, click on Curbside Pickup. Scroll down until you find the button that says Schedule Your Curbside Pickup Appointment. And scroll down until you see the Pick a Location menu. You have to choose the library first. Let's go pick our things up at Charlotte Hall Library. Then you can pick a date. I'll go tomorrow and a time slot. Then you need to fill in the form with your contact information. I'm Miss Jill. This is my email address. You need to put in a phone number, your library card number, so they know which account's items are being picked up at this appointment. There's an option to get a grab bag. If you just want a surprise mix of materials, you can say, "Oh, I want 20 picture books." Put that information in the Other Important Info box. Click Submit, and it'll tell you your booking is confirmed and all the details. When you refute it, click Finished, and your curbside appointment is made. Within a few minutes of placing your curbside appointment, you'll get an email confirmation. It'll have all the details again, and if you need to change your appointment, you can click the Manage This Appointment. It'll take you to a website. The only option you really have is to cancel your appointment. So if you needed to change the time, you would cancel it and make a new one. Click Cancel, say yes when it asks if you're sure, and you're all done.